2 here. Welcome to Sister Fidgets. Today's video is how to make a water bottle squishy. So let's get started. You will be needing an empty water bottle. You can also take off the tag, some water, and last but not least, some soap. I really prefer Dawn dish soap, but I don't have Dawn dish soap, so I'm just going to use hand soap. This soap. So you're going to grab your water bottle and put a certain amount of water on. I'll show you that. About this much water. And then you're going to add 1 pump or 2 pumps of soap. Close the cap and just shake it up. Make sure to let out all the air so you can squish it. And there you go, you have your water bottle squishy. You can also add food dye before you add in the soap, so it can be colorful, but I don't have food dye here, so I'm just gonna add. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and push notifications on so you don't miss any of our videos. Bye!